mēs organizējam lielu flare semināru. Tā kā Toms Dairs ir bieži viesis Latvijā, un prieks, ka viņš šodien ir šeit. Un mums visiem ir iespēja skatīties viņa priekšlikumu.
Killing his nice glasses down.
Aiziet, Tom Dairs.
Tin, 2 tin, 3 tin bottle, working flare. There we go into 2 tin, 2 bottle.
Kokteļu nosaukums, mēs kokteļu nosaukumu. Kā tad tā, Tom, mēs atrastīs nosaukumu šoreiz.
There we go, very nice.
Sastāvdaļā citrus vodka, monina citronu pirāga, sirups, saldais krējums.
One sip drop there.
Citronu sulu un liķieris 43.
Here we go.
The rising heat from multiple fires caused by the heat flash.
Here we go, 3 tin, 2 bottle. Big moves.
Speeds exceeding 100 miles an hour.
Very nice.
Within its center, the temperature is rising to 800 degrees centigrade.
Very nice. Wow. Huge, huge flare moves. Never fails to disappoint.
This is a firestorm.
Bolts in, here we go. Just full of signature tricks. Here we go. Nice, triple tap to the beat, signature. What? There it is. To the beat, catch behind the back, very difficult grab. Take it. Oh. Into the tin. Here we go, 2 tin, 2 bottle, signature, on bump. There we go. Wow.
Spēj izsekot tam līdzi.
Here we go, big trick.
Wow.
Oof.
The temperature is rising to 800 degrees centigrade. This is a firestorm. 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 Firestorm.
Nice bit of rimming from Tom.
This is a firestorm.
Jā, nu tas ir tas, ko neviens negaidīja. Čekojot, uzsita stipru un stikls saplīs un viss stikli iegāja tērienā. Tā kā praktiski pa kokteili viņš saņems 0 punktus.
5, 4, 3,
Wow.
1,
Jā. Tas ir tas, kad žēl, protams. Žēl, labs sniegums, bet
That's massively unlucky.
finish ir diezgan neveiksmīgs. Tā kā